At first, I thought meditation was just a trend, something people talked about but never really worked. But then I tried it, and 8 months later, I can honestly say it's the most important decision I've ever made. At the beginning of this year, I randomly came across how meditation could change your life. I didn't believe it at first, but I started researching. I found out that meditation can literally rewire your mind, reduce stress, and help you live better. But here's the truth. Not all meditations are good to practice alone. So I decided to train with a teacher. The first time I sat down to meditate, I couldn't focus for even 10 minutes. My mind was all over the place. January went by like that. Every day, I'd sit, close my eyes, and fail. And I thought, maybe meditation just isn't for me. But then I read that some monks meditate for 8 hours a day, and I couldn't even do 10 minutes. That thought alone kept me going. By the second month, I managed 15 minutes a day. My mind still wandered, but at least I was sitting through it. Some days, I honestly felt like meditation was a waste of time, but I made a deal with myself. I wouldn't stop until the end of the year, no matter what. So I kept going. By the fourth month, I realized something important. Meditation needs time. At least 30 minutes a day if you want to see real results. And slowly, very slowly, I started to feel it. My focus improved. Sometimes, just for a few seconds, my awareness stayed in one place. But those few seconds felt like a victory. I began to actually enjoy meditation. Yes, I failed many times, but I always came back to the practice. And by the 7th month, I saw real results. I could carry my awareness into daily life. Whether I was working, making decisions, or just walking, I could feel myself being present. My stress went down. My bad habits, easier to control. It was like my mind had finally slowed down. But here's the truth. It wasn't all perfect. In the last 2 months, I started skipping days. And when I tried to meditate again, it was hard. My focus was weaker. And that's when I learned my biggest lesson. Meditation only works if you do it consistently. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up every single day. So now, I'm more committed than ever. I set aside time daily. And sometimes, I even push myself to meditate for an hour. And let me tell you, it changes everything. That's why I wanted to share my story with you. This is my honest journey, failures, struggles, and all. And if there's one thing I've learned, it's this. Consistency beats perfection. If you show up every day, even for a short while, your life will start to change. So try it. Even 10 minutes, stick with it, and you'll experience for yourself how meditation can transform your life.